Hi, my name is Riley McMullen from Snowblock Snowjacks, and today we're going to be looking at SnowGuard compatibility for ATAS International and the 5 exposed fastener panels that they manufacture. On the left-hand side, we have the Grand R. This panel is going to be compatible with all of our polycarbonate screw down and glue down guards. Some of our smaller options include the Ice Jacks 1, the Deuce, and the Breaker. Our larger options, such as the Ice Jacks 2, the Snowjacks 2, and the Ace, are also going to be compatible. You're going to be able to do our Snowcatcher lineup and our bar systems with the tall color bracket. You're also going to be able to do a Snocleat system with that same tall color bracket. Moving on here to the corrugated panel, this is going to be identical to the Grand C profile. These are both going to be compatible with our 2.67 bracket, which allows you to do a Snocleat or Snowbar or color bar system. Onto the Grand V, this is going to be compatible with all of our polycarbonate guards except for our Ace and the screw down and glue down. You're also not going to be able to do a Snowcatcher with this. However, you're going to be able to do a bar system with our galvanized snow bar or the aluminum color bar. Moving on to the Meta 4 profile, this is only going to be compatible with our tall color bracket, which allows you to do a snow bar or color bar system as well. Things to keep in mind with all 5 of these panels and any exposed fastener panels that you may have, you're going to want to have at least 1 inch of wood structure if you're planning to screw into the panel itself. You're also going to want to make sure you're timing your glue down properly if you choose to do a glue down system. You want at least 28 days of 50 degrees or more to cure properly. We also offer free layouts here at Snowjacks underneath the resources tab where Snowbar price quote and Snowguard price quote is. This is on our website at www.snowjacks.com. If you have any questions about what we overviewed in this blog, please give us a call at 1-800-766-5291. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.